Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your social media with Hootsuite detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your social media accounts with Hootsuite, first, log in to your Hootsuite dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon located in the top right corner. Click on Manage Networks from the drop-down menu. In the Manage Networks section, select the option to add a new social network. Choose the social media platform you want to verify, such as Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. Follow the prompts to connect your account by entering your username and password for that platform. Once connected, you will be directed back to the Manage Networks section. Next, look for the verification option in the settings of your connected social media account. For Twitter, go to Settings and Privacy, then scroll to Account, and look for Verification. For Facebook, you may need. For Instagram, navigate to Settings, then select Account, and look for Request Verification. Complete the required fields for verification, which typically include providing identification and additional information about your account. Submit your verification request and wait for a response from the social media platform. While waiting for verification, ensure your Hootsuite account is linked properly and functioning with your other social media accounts. Once you receive notification of your verification, check your Hootsuite dashboard to confirm the update. If successful, your verified status will be displayed next to your social media handle. Repeat these steps for any additional social media accounts you wish to verify through Hootsuite. Verifying your accounts can enhance your credibility and visibility across platforms. Be sure to stay informed about any changes in the verification processes for each social media platform. Regularly update your Hootsuite account and monitor for any notifications regarding verification. With these steps, you can successfully verify your social media accounts using Hootsuite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.